One of the things that we found to be very successful with so-called reluctant writers is having a purpose to writing. Very, very often when we talk to children who are identified as reluctant writers, and the vast majority of them do tend to be boys, we find that they see writing as an exercise for the teacher, and very often they're right. They are writing purely for the teacher. Using audio-visual content and being very clear that what they're seeing presented on the screen has a transcript behind it helps them to see that this is writing for a real purpose. You're writing in order to do a presentation that potentially millions of people will see. And writing for a presentation that maybe only your class will see, or maybe only a group in your class, or maybe it will be a school assembly or something like that, but it's writing for a genuine purpose.
On the 2nd of September 1666, a fire broke out. It would blaze for just over 4 days, destroying most of the City of London.
One of the really basic things about transcripts actually is that children understand that when a presenter is speaking in those lovely, perfect sentences, seeing the transcript helps children understand that those people are speaking in perfect sentences because they wrote it down first. And we have to be really clear about that when we watch the television or listen to the radio and you hear these perfect sentences, it's because they're reading. And they're reading something that possibly they've written themselves, or it's been written for them by an expert. And helping children understand that helps give them confidence to do their own presentations and understand that they have to be working from a pre-written script. But it also gives a reason for writing. So if you're going to do a presentation, then you better produce a pretty good transcript beforehand.